Hi everyone, Cassie Man here, and today we are going to be installing a M.2 SSD into the PlayStation 5. This thing's huge, super beefy. So first things first is we need to take the stand off of this. And if you're wondering why my PlayStation is black and not white, it's because these are the D brand dark plates that are on it, and I made a video on this, so if you want to check that out, there's a link up above and in the description down below. Alright, now that we've got the base off of this, we have to take off one of the sides, and I believe that it's the side with the disk drive if you have the disk version. What we're going to do is we're going to lift one of the back corners and pull off. And this is actually a great opportunity to kind of like get any dust out while you have the cover off. I'm just using this little air blower thing that came with my camera. Fan's only looking a little dusty. I'm going to use my wow stick to take out the screw here. And then we just lift this cover off. So be sure to check that the SSD that you're installing is compatible with the PlayStation 5. They have to be a certain size, certain height, and I'll leave the blog in the description where PlayStation says what size needs to be used. I picked the WD Black SN850 that comes with the heatsink. The one that I picked is 500 gigabytes. It's so small. Look at how cute it is. For some reason I expected it to be a lot bigger, but look at how tiny it is. So there is a mounting screw and a spacer here that you need in order to make this work. So you just have to line it up with the size of your SSD. This looks like mine goes to 80. So you put the spacer in there, and then all you have to do to install the SSD is line it up, push it in, and screw it back down. Now, if you didn't buy an M.2 SSD with a heatsink, you're going to have to install the heatsink first. Otherwise, it's just going to be way too hot and you're just gonna blow your PlayStation up. I mean, you won't actually blow it up, probably, but it will overheat and it won't work anymore. So make sure you have the heatsink. After that, you literally just pop the cover back on, place the screw back in, put your plate back on, snap it in place, and you're good to go. Now let's test it out. Alright, so once you turn your PlayStation on, you're going to get this notice pop-up that says, to use your M.2 SSD, you need to format it. When you format your M.2 SSD, all data on it will be deleted. If you want to continue using your PS5 without formatting your M.2 SSD, turn off your PS5 and then remove your M.2 SSD. Note that saved data, screenshots, and video clips can't be saved in M.2 SSD storage. I like to format it. This is a brand new SSD. I don't have anything on it. The read speed of your M.2 SSD is as follows. If you experience problems while playing a game installed in M.2 SSD storage, try installing it in console storage. Alright, your M.2 SSD has been formatted. To change where your games are installed, go to Settings, Storage, Installation Location. To safely remove your M.2 SSD, turn off your PS5 first. Awesome. Alright everyone, well that's it for me. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please leave a like on the video and comment down below letting me know what games you're going to be installing on your new M.2 SSD. If you like seeing content on music, tech, and gaming, please hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.